side of the field. The Wrong brothers are taking this route around the pedestals. We've seen them do before. They start with this tall pedestal on the right-hand side. It bounces pretty close to the neutral zone, so they take a few seconds to readjust. The Winged Warriors already rounding the corner with 5 balls out in front of their drum. They cross in the neutral zone. They're going to take them all the way to the end and leave them there for later. The Wrong brothers have moved around the back half of the field, clearing out the 4 most typical pedestals into green drop zones. Now the Winged Warriors realigning with the ramp, working with their visual observers to feed more balls into the track. 45 seconds on the clock. We're only halfway through this one, and only 2 pedestals remain right in front of the pilot station. There they have it, all 7 pedestals clear into green drop zones. That frees up the Wrong brothers to move those balls down towards the audience into the green half of the goal. 30 seconds left. The Winged Warriors still making progress here back behind the blackout curtain. The pilots can't see it, so I'm not going to talk about it. They've got some momentum in the direction they want, some stalling. But their visual observers will work them through that as we see that chime go off. 1 ball heading down into the neutral zone. Here comes the second. Winged Warriors following after, passing it off to the Wrong brothers near the exit to the goal. Under 3 seconds now. 2 seconds. 1. Looks like we got one drone still in the air, the other safely on the bullseye.